Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be working on a bath bomb poster. The idea for it is to be in a window of a store, so yeah, let's get into it. So let's jump into Photoshop. So this is the image I'm using. I got it from Adobe stock, and the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the background, as there was a couple white bits in the bath bombs, so I had to carefully check if it's not taking any of the actual bath bomb inside. So next we'll position the bath bombs in an attractive way, and the idea for this is for the love heart to be in the centre. And I'm just playing about the colours just to see what sort of colour works the best, and I got this sort of pinky purpley colour that works the best with all the bath bombs. To add some life into the bath bombs, I have added some shadows on the right side as the light is coming from the left. I have also added some highlights on the left just to enhance this light. And then I have put some shadows on the background. And the text for this poster will be Fizz Sork. It was initially meant to be Fizz and Sork, but I didn't have enough space for the and, plus it would look more attractive just to have two words. So now I'm moving the text around the bath bombs, so you can see some of the bath bombs are behind and some of them are front. And to make this more clear, I have added some shadow onto the actual text as well from the bath bombs. And here I felt like the background is a bit boring, so I tried to get these bubbles in, and I got these bubbles just from Google, just to show you guys that you can use Google Photos if you are on a budget and you don't need to always go to these paid sites. So I ended up scrapping the bubbles as they didn't fit as well as I wanted them to be. So here I'm adding some lines which are meant to act as waves, and here you can see I have gone for a darker and a lighter colour for it just to be a bit more clear that this is supposed to be waves. And I went with solid lines instead of gradient, and as the bubbles didn't work, I decided to go with something more simple. So I grabbed one of my brushes and I made some dots, and this worked much better. And again, I have added some highlights and some shadows just to again make it feel more real. So next I'll be doing the logo, and I decided to just go for a quick word text logo, and the name is Sammy's Bath Bombs, and I tried to work it in a circle but didn't really work to represent bubbles and bath bombs. So the word Sammy's is curved and the word bath bombs is straight, and it does really work together quite well. So yeah, with the last touches here, I'm going onto the camera raw filter just to play about with the colours inside the bath bombs just to make them more vibrant. And yeah, this is the finished product. So I have it in the poster size, which would be ready to be placed on a window of a store. And I also have one for social media, specifically Instagram. And I have presented it in the normal look as well as a paper texture. And the way I did the paper texture is grab it off Google, typing in paper texture, and then pasting it back into Photoshop, and then just clicking multiply, and that just works perfectly. And you can try, so maybe putting the optimacy down, but sometimes it might not work as well if it's dark, but this one works perfectly. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please give it a like, subscribe and comment. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!